31. To find the ground state of an element, first locate it on the periodic table. Then find the last element on the right of the previous quantum level. Each quantum level is located by each column, each row, each period. It is almost always a noble gas. Next, find the electron configuration for the current quantum level. To find the electron configuration, you must determine how many electrons are in each block in each quantum level. The quantum level is put before what block that is in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then followed by the number of electrons relative to that block. The S block can only have 2 electrons, which then will turn into the P block that can only have 6 electrons. After 4s2, the D block with a possible of 10 electrons appears between the S and P blocks. The D block's quantum level is always represented by one quantum level below the current S block. For oxygen, since the noble gas of the previous quantum level was helium, to abbreviate the electron configuration, you would put He in brackets before starting the following quantum level. Since O is put in the P block, 2s is full, and since oxygen is the 4th element in the P block, proper electron configuration would be He in brackets 2s2 2p4. For carbon, since the noble gas of the previous quantum level was helium, to abbreviate the electron configuration, we put He in brackets before starting the next quantum level. Since C is in the P block, 2s block would be full, and since carbon is the 2nd in the P block, the electron configuration will be He 2s2 2p2. Okay, for helium, since there's no previous noble gas, it can't be abbreviated, and it is the first element in the first quantum level of the S block. So the electron configuration would just be 1s1. For nitrogen, since the noble gas of the previous quantum level was helium, to abbreviate the electron configuration, you just put He in brackets before starting the next quantum level. Then N is in the P block, so 2s is full. And since nitrogen is the 3rd element in the P block, the electron configuration would be He 2s2 2p3. Go. For calcium, the noble gas in the previous quantum level was argon, so to abbreviate, you would put Ar in parentheses, in brackets, before starting the next quantum level. Since Ca is in the S block and is the 2nd element in the 4th quantum level, the electron configuration would just be Ar 4s2. Okay, for phosphorus, the noble gas of the previous quantum level was neon, so to abbreviate it, you would put Ne in brackets before starting the next quantum level. Since phosphorus is in the P block and is the 3rd element in the 3rd quantum level, the correct electron configuration would be Ne in brackets 3s2 3p3. For magnesium, the noble gas of the previous quantum level was neon, so to abbreviate it, you'd put Ne in brackets before starting the next quantum level. Since Mg is in the S block, and then the 3rd quantum level the configuration would be Ne3s2. The noble gas on previous quantum level was argon. So to abbreviate it, you would put argon in brackets before starting the next quantum level. K is in the p block and is the first element in the fourth quantum level. The electron configuration would be 4s1.